Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Silver Sage channel. I'm Karen, and today I am going to share a little challenge that I gave myself. I'll share it with you. I am traveling to see my son in Thunder Bay, and I'm going for 5 days. And it's cool there yet, just 12 degrees Celsius. So I need to take warm clothing, and I'm doing it all with a carry-on. 5 days, cool weather, and a carry-on. Can I do that? Absolutely I can. And I'm going to share some tips with you. So whether you're going away for a quick getaway, visiting family, or exploring a new town, you don't need to overpack in order to feel stylish, comfortable, and prepared. What you do need is to put some thought into it first. I like to write down what I'm going to take for the number of days so I can mix and match. Another guideline is you should be able to create 3 outfits from one main piece, such as a pair of pants. So I have a pair of black pants I'm wearing. They have an elastic waist. They're sort of a crinkly fabric. They are comfortable and they wear very well. So black, and then I'm wearing this heavier top on the airplane so it doesn't take up so much room in my carry-on. So be able to mix and match pieces and then choose 2 main colors and an accent color for your clothing. Mine is black and white, and my accent color is red. And I have that in this little bit of jewelry, which, I'll be able to use this over and over and over again. Also, the airlines are getting much pickier. So as far as I know, we are allowed 1 personal item, so like a purse, and I have my briefcase, which holds my iPad, my phone, and my wallet, and some reading glasses, and a little bag with my chargers in it. That's all that I need there. And of course, I've got it for my boarding pass. It has a nice strap so I can put it over my shoulder and just be hands-free when I need to. So that's my 1 personal item. My carry-on is a lug, L-U-G, a lug tote. It's not very big. It'll fit in the carry-on checker that they have very easily. I'm sure of that. And in it, I'll just show you what's in it instead of telling you. So I have my makeup. I have really pared this down. Normally when I'm traveling, I need a big suitcase just to put my makeup bag in because I've got lotions for this and lotions for that. This time, no. I'm at my son's. I'll be able to borrow whatever I need there. So this is lipstick and eye pencils. Another pair of glasses for distance. Little bottle of supplements. And this is for jewelry. As I said, I'm not taking much, some different earrings, maybe a ring, but I have this piece that I'm wearing. And I'm taking a fanny pack. That allows me freedom when I go walking or shopping. Now, keeping in mind, I am having black as one of my main pieces. And too bad it's so cool, but I like being warm. I don't like getting cold at all. So I have a fleece sweater here that's very stylish and has black stripes on it. And it's sort of a peachy beige color. I have a white fleece top, one of my main colors. I have a white turtleneck that I can wear under my fleece top if I need to, or maybe even on its own if need be. I have another pair of black pants, and these are a knit jersey pant. They're great for if I want to go out for lunch, meet up with other friends there. Just give me, and they're easy to relax in. I could slip those on at night. And I have a knit jersey top as well. Here we go. It has a little mock turtleneck. And it has a little flare at the bottom. So it looks great with those knit pants, and it also works with the pants I am wearing right now. Then I have a packing cube, and in this is my nightgown, underwear, and some socks. So that's all I need, because I am being very aware of needing to mix and match. So now let's put this back in. What I enjoy about knit fabrics is you can roll them up and they don't wrinkle. So they're absolutely great for traveling. Take these pants. I can even stand them up in the corners if I need to, which I have done with this turtleneck. I can stand it up. Next is the fleece top. And yes, it is too bad that everything has to be so heavy. What can you do if you just want to carry on? And then, last but not least, my other little top here. Then I put my fanny pack back in, supplements, makeup and glasses, and my jewelry. And that's it. There we go. The other thing you have to be aware of is liquids. How do you take liquids on? And you are allowed, I can't remember the amount of milliliters you can take, but all I have for liquid is this little jar with a dropper in it, and it is my rosehip oil and argan oil that I mix together, and I use that as a moisturizer both in the evening and at night. And then I have some just some lip balm in here as well. So that's pretty much it. Also, just to let you know, what I'm wearing on my feet are a pair of Skechers. They're slip-on. They're easy to take on and off if I need to at the airport. And they're great for walking. So I don't need several pairs of shoes. The snow has gone, whew, thank goodness. And all I need are good walking shoes. Then I am wearing a puffer coat. It's very, very lightweight. Hardly any weight to it. It all folds up, scrunches, but I'm wearing that and wearing a red scarf so I can keep my neck warm. And of course it picks up all the other colors. I could wear it with one of my sweaters if I want to do that too. So that's how I've packed my carry-on. And I would love it if you would comment below. Have you traveled 4 or 5 days just taking a carry-on? What tips do you have to share with me and the rest of the audience? Also, it would be wonderful if you would give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I'll be sharing more tips like this in my membership group, the Silver Sages, and you can find out all about that on my website at karendorlandreiki.ca. There's a big description of everything that I do in the membership, style tips, journal prompts, meditations. We talk about the chakras and balancing, everything healing, and fun things like style. Because it's very healing to look in the mirror and love who you see looking back at you as well. So that's it for now. And I'm off to enjoy my visit with my grandkids. It's been quite a while. I'll see you next time.